sunny day. Bagag ng ilahang dili ilahang sin gikuha. Talaga lang ha. Talaga lang. Tultugan ko nimo sigarilyo. May sagka oy kay apil-apil ka. So ayan guys, this is the whole thing here that the peoples are staying here in my house. So this is the situation right now. Yeah, they backlash all the rooftop until get through there, until they're in this area. Good. So napakawalang hiya talaga nila. Sige lang, nagpapasensya lang ako. At least tulong ko na lang din sa kanila yun na stay free sila dito sa akin. So kalaunan talaga guys, ayaw ko na talaga, hindi ko na makayanan yung mga ugali nila. So pinapaalis ko sila. So ayun ang kabuuan ng ng house ko. Hindi pa nga ako makapagtrabaho dahil mahirap iwanan sila dito yung cousin ko dahil ayaw pa nga nilang di sila komportable pag talagang aalis-alis ako kasi kuhanin nila yung dito yung yung yan. Ito na yun guys. Kaya yung kabuuan. Dito took up all the rooftop here, and they are now out in my house. So as what they've said, they help me, they spend a lot, blah 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 blah. No, I don't believe them. So pagpasensyahan ko na lang, Panginoon na lang ang mag-judge. Ika nga may awa ang Diyos. So ito na yun guys, ito na muna yung status ng buhay namin na we stay temporarily. Pasalamat na nga ako sa Panginoon, may titirahan ako kasi nung I went in abroad as a band member, as a singer. So this is my property that I invest and not complete the house. But anyway, thanks God pa rin ako dahil God is helped me. So from there, I've been walking this outside the corner from my house and go through here. I'm walking to now in Pisonet. So I do shortcut here. This is shortcut way here to go in the Pisonet. There's a space in here from there, and there's the car here, parking area, and yep. And you can buy a water here, water supply, like a mineral water. So we used to use this way shortcut method here. Hi kittens. And yeah, that's the water right here, spring, your drinking water supply for the mineral water. Okay, so yeah, and that's the way there. There supposed to be that I walking there in this corner street and over here, but I do shortcut way here to go the Pisonet here, and this the water here, and I go for Pisonet. Walking distance a bit, I think is if you very fast to walk or hike, I think it's a 6 minutes or 3 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes, I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, I'm walking right now, go to the Pisonet. So there's a lot of house here. Yeah, it's a Barangay Colo. I'm belonging to Barangay Colo because our tax record, yeah, tax declaration. Tax declaration is old, is tax record. So I'm belong to the Porocolo.
Tawagan ni kahapon ay patron gikan sa alas 5 kabi Lewin.
So this is the whole things, staying up there, and yeah, there's a motorbike coming. There's the garage, this garage here, and yeah, going here. Yeah, this is a net here. Yeah. There's a motor wash. Then the Shilling Gold Oil Station. So yeah, look at this remote Wi-Fi here. So bye for now. So guys, wait, here's our water container here. All because we conserve all the water because we don't have now a water because these crazy people staying in the first row in my house, they are out right now. Oh no, yesterday they're finally final day yesterday is a March 31, so they move out already. They don't pay their bills, all the bills, waters and electric bill. Yeah, so that's what we happen right now. We don't have water here. We fish in the tavern there, which is the wheels one. So all the garbage in the house, I put it there. I clean in this morning. So all the garbage is in there. So I will make burn that in this afternoon. So my project in this morning that I put up a temporarily our toilet because they take out all the things there. So I do it in this morning. I'm the one to do that. I put in the top because when we use the toilet, very hot and the sunshine. Yeah, it's a sunny day, so I put in a little bit curtains in here, so that we can use it. We don't disturb any sequences. So this is our back door here, and this is our house here. So I show you guys that all the materials, all the wasted things here. So I clean up in this area, the hallway here. I clean up there. This previous here, I show you guys. This is the previous here. In the other record my video the other week. So maybe I show you later. So now I clean up already in this morning. So this is the view right now in here in front of my house. So guys, it's clean already. Yeah, I clean up. So no more garbage is inside. So I put all the bottle here in this area in my front of my land, my property. And this is by the way, this is our malunggay. This is a miracle tree. Yes, moringa. So yeah, so I clean up this is our temporary gate here, so that we can have peace and private actually. So I clean up here in this area here in the morning, and this over here I clean up here. Yeah, and also up in front here. So in this situation right now, we have a signage here that there is no trespassing, because I don't want all the people staying here in front of my house. I don't want they come back here again to get anything, get some things, because it's over. So now I put a no trespassing, so that we have a peace of mind and we have a private here to stay, and doesn't disturb at all. Okay, so yeah, so this is temporarily this is our gate. Yeah, so I put this one, I hook here. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so that's situations right now. Yeah,
as well. So I'm very happy. I have a peace of mind. So the all